Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mariobna Rona. In this video, we will try to understand why research is done. What is the purpose of research? Now, broadly, all research is done because someone somewhere wanted to improve the state of things as they are. That is the purpose of every research, to contribute towards the existing body of knowledge and to improve the way we lead our lives, either by inventing something, by creating something, by refreshing something which already existed, but giving it a twist, refreshing it, and presenting it to the world anew. Broadly, there are three main purposes of research. Research seeks to explore, to describe, or to explain something. Now, to explore is something like space research. It is carried out for the purpose of exploration, for looking for things, discovering things which have not been discovered before. To describe things, to describe the relationship between variables, or to describe the characteristics or features of a certain group of people or a certain group of companies, organizations, say investors, children, all these kind of things, to describe certain features or characteristics. And the other purpose of research is to explain, whereas you need to probably explain why something happens. Why do people in a particular age group succumb to a particular disease more than those in another age group? What are the reasons for this? Right? So when you consider the COVID-19 crisis, there are people who have pre-existing conditions are said to be more susceptible to the infection and more likely to die from it. And so how did we come to know this? Obviously because of some research which has been carried out on the SARS virus, from which COVID-19 virus is a mutation of that virus, or it belongs to that particular family of virus. So the purpose of research, what drives research and researchers to carry out the process of research is probably to find out what sort of informations organizations or businesses are looking for. So if you consider a company like Tanishq, which entered a domain of jewelry which was dominated by the traditional family jeweler for generations together. So they garnered some information, carried out some research, and they discovered that while the traditional jeweler enjoyed a lot of trust, so they were pitted against a formidable opponent because of the amount of trust that people had in the traditional jeweler. They also realized that the problem of purity existed, and so they challenged customers to come to their shop and or their Tanishq stores and check out their jewelry, test it on carat meters to discover purity, and then that would automatically impact the trust that they had in the traditional family jeweler. Now, research is also done, to determine what sort of processes need to be followed in order to find out that sort of information. So, who do you need to study? How do you need to carry out the study? Do you collect primary data? Do you collect secondary data? What should be your sources? How should you go about collecting primary data? Should it be field work? Should it be an email based survey? Should it be observation? These kind of things have to be determined when research is done. Then what sort of arguments can you build around a particular concept? So if you say that yes, customers had intrinsic trust, implicit faith in the jeweler, then the argument built around something like that would be, how do you break the trust? How do you break without telling them directly that you need to break your trust or your blind faith which you have in a traditional jeweler? Then what sort of evidence is needed for people to believe in the idea or concept? And therefore the concept of carat meter was used. I have just explained all this with the example of traditional jewelers and how Tanishq entered the market. In the next video, we will be discussing some common problems that can be solved by research. In this, I will be taking up some contemporary issues. Do check that video out. So if you liked this video on the purpose of research, do hit like. If you like the content on this channel, hit subscribe and do leave your comments and feedback. Thank you.